how to add the wireframe in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, I like to add some wireframes to this cube. Press tab or go to edit mode manually here like this. Press 3 to select face, and I would like to add to this side a wireframe. So go to face and here select wireframe. Okay, wireframe, and here we can increase or decrease the wireframe. And if you want to add another one, select the face, go to face, and here click on wireframe. So increase the thickness, and yeah, that's pretty much how you add a wireframe. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section and I'll create a tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.